Hey guys, Ed here. Hey, welcome back, guys. Okay, so here we are already at part 13 of our Trumpeter HEMTT record build. And on the last video, we completed steps 12, 14, and 15. In this video here, we are going to pick things up at step 16, and we're going to finish off at 18, okay? And that's going to complete our chassis, guys. At this point, we're going to be setting that aside after this video here, and we're going to start working on the cab. The cab looks like it's going to bring its own challenges. And yeah, so we'll see how that plays out. A lot of parts to that cab. We're going to be just doing some drilling and some plastic. We're going to be doing some cutting. We got some photo etch. We got some decals that are going to be going in. So we're going to be all over the place with this cab. But we got to get through with the chassis first, guys. Only a couple things left to do on it. We got to make a couple of storage boxes and that kind of thing, a hose reel, and yeah, you'll see that in the video as we get going. So, all right, guys, with that being said, let's just go ahead and get right on into it. We got a lot to do, and I want to keep these videos fairly short. And if you are following along with this build, I certainly do appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. I'm having a blast with this build. I truly, truly am. Normally I build ships and stuff like that, so this is kind of cool. It breaks up the monotony a little bit, and it's one of those builds where you look forward to getting back to it. You know what I mean? So let's just do it, guys. Let me get these cameras flipped around. Let's get that instruction book out. Let's grab some paints. And guys, welcome back to Miles and Beer. Okay, guys, I went ahead and cut out all the pieces that we're going to need for steps 16, 17, and 18. They all been cleaned up. They're ready for assembly and paint. I got them sitting right here ready to go. Let's go ahead. Let's do a time lapse simply because there's not much to look at here. They're just pieces, A joined to B type things. So we'll just take a look at that and time lapse, and then let's get together at the end of the video and we'll discuss then how everything went and maybe some final thoughts and things like that. So guys, go ahead and grab yourself a beer, get on back here, and let's get this thing started. All right, here we are. We got everything constructed, and now we just need to get some primer and paint. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera, guys, just to save time. Let me go ahead. I'm going to get these guys primed. We're going to shoot them with our XF59 Desert Yellow. Look at that bottle. I made a mess of that one. All right, so let me go ahead and get that primed and painted. We'll be right back. Alright guys, here it is at complete steps 16, 17, and 18. And like I said, this pretty much completes the chassis, guys. We have a whole bunch of other stuff that's going to be going on here. We got the bed to do and our crane and all kinds of stuff yet to do. But this is where we're at so far, guys. I did weather it up a little bit, as you've seen in the video there. This gas tank, I figured, probably gets quite dirty, right? So I ran some drippings down the spout there where it probably overflowed a time or two, and we gave it some dirtied it up a little bit on the edges there. Okay, let's take a quick run around here, and then we're going to end this video, guys. And I did run some more rubber hoses, guys. Our hose reel here, let me see if I can get this in here. We ran the bigger of the, I forget what size that is. This is it here. And I ran that inside the reel here. You can see there's a couple loops, and I did that on camera, so if you caught that. And so with this hose reel, you have to have a line to feed the fluid, whatever's running through there, right? So we added another hose here that goes into our hose reel here. So this is our feeder tube that feeds the fluid into this bigger hose. Okay, that's what we did there. And then we got our hydraulic hoses here that we did on the last video. Let me see if I can get those in here. There they are. And here's our lever right there. So we got an in and an out. And check out this little vise, bench vise, guys, right here. We detailed that booger up. I put some stainless, or silver, I should say, for the stainless part of our bench vise, and then the rest of it's flat black there. Isn't that cool? Cool little bench vise there. In case you needed to do some work on the road, right, with these things. So there we have it, guys. It is looking really, really nice. Let's put a couple pictures up at the end, okay? And then on the next video, we got, like I said, we're going to be starting on our cab assembly, and there's going to be quite a bit to that cab. So that'll be a sub-assembly of its own. It'll take us probably several videos to get through that cab. But there we have it, guys. So once again, I appreciate you watching. Everybody have a safe week, and I'll catch you on the next video. Okay, guys? Bye-bye.